Today we are going to make curry leaf thogayal. Take a bowl of fresh curry leaves. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Then add 2 tablespoons of black urad dal. Then add 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Mix until it gets golden brown. Add a few dry red chilies. Once it gets fried, keep it aside. Then add 4 garlic pods and 6 shallots. Add a bowl of curry leaves. Then add a little tamarind. Salt to taste. Then add grated coconut. Mix for a minute and let it cool. After it cools, put it in a mixer and mix it by adding water little by little. Our curry leaf thogayal is ready to serve. It goes well with hot rice.